Hey, Dreadful fam. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here and you like this kind of nail content, go ahead and hit that subscribe. So today we're taking a look at another company that does 3D nail accessories. Let's get into it.
If you like DIY nails, like, share, subscribe, click the bell, then stick around. It's time for Flexi Nails.
All right, welcome to another video, you guys. If you're new here, hi, hello, I'm Lindsay. Okay, so we have a goodie box from kind of two companies in one. So a little bit about that. These two companies were going out of business. One person decided to buy them out and take them over, and now they are merged together in one company. So we're looking at 3D nail accessories from Liquid Layers, but yet also they sent us over some dip powders from Daisy Dips to take a look at and show you guys on the channel. So I won a gift card in their Facebook group. You got to name one of their colors of their products, and we won. And then they also wanted to send us over some extras to show you guys. And I'm so excited and thankful, and that's amazing. So I got the nail stands and one of the little Flexi Boats, and then they sent over some extras to show you guys. And I'm so thankful for that. Thank you so, so much to Bonnie and Liquid Layers and Daisy Dips. Okay, so starting out, we got these nail stand bases in black and neon green. Kind of good for spooky season colors. And of course, I just want all the nail things and all the seasonal colors. Good for holidays and just, yeah. It's fun to get to mix and match and, do things when you're just kind of feeling in a different mood, Now it's fall season. We're about to be in a fall and spooky season, so yeah. All right, so let's dip into our little goodie box here. So we have some Flexi Boats. These are great to pour in your dip powders and use them for dipping. Use them for a French tip. Do your nail swatches. It has a little cutout back here so that your nail swatch stick fits down in there really, really nice. And then also they make cleanup very easy. So they're flexible, so you just give them a squish and use the little pour spout to pour all your dip powders back into their containers. And then you just brush them out easy peasy with a little dusting makeup brush, and the cleanup is awesome. And this one glows. How cute is that? Okay, moving on. So we have a Decal Dish from them as well, or you can use this for whatever. It just kind of holds stuff. But they have it labeled, it has a water slide decal dish, so you just put some water in here. And then, yeah, it's easy for soaking your decals if that's how you like to do that for your water decal method. Really nice in the lime green, and I love that. Oh, I'm just so mad. So I keep playing with my lighting because it was just not picking up the neon green, and I wanted you guys to see it so much. Okay, so next up we have a nail stand. So this just kind of helps you either paint your nails with nail polish. Just kind of helps stabilize your hand, or for your dip liquids or your gel polishes. Very nice. Keeps everything nice and steady so you're not wiggling and you're not, you get the kind of shakes when you don't have your hand nice and settled and stabilized. So that's great. It helps out. And in black, I love it. Okay, so these are the little nail stands that go on top of our bases here, and I'm so excited. Oh, these are so cool looking. And the magnets, oh my gosh, they just snapped like nobody's business. It's awesome. So again, I will say, if you can get rid of those cheapy little ones, you know what I'm talking about, from Amazon or, overseas and all that, these work so much better if you can find someone that does the 3D printed nail stands. Awesome, awesome. So here I'm just kind of demonstrating the different ways that you can hold it. If you want to hold the whole thing, I just kind of pick up one by one when I do my own nails. That's just what I like to do. But yeah, you can still use them as a whole in your hand or pick up a single one. You can mix and match your colors. I love that. And the magnets were awesome. I shook these around, nothing fell off, nothing toppled over, and I love that because you cannot get that with the little cheapy stands. You know what I'm talking about. Those, I've showed them in a previous video. They just fling and fall everywhere and I can't stand it. But yeah, so these are so cool. Mix and match your colors. I love that. However you're feeling, whatever kind of mood you're in, it's just awesome. These were the main thing I was going for. But okay, so they sent us over these fall dip powders, and look at these colors. Are they not perfect for fall? I love them. And I appreciate the way they package their dip powders. I have not seen anyone else package their dip powders like this. So when they traveled during shipment, nothing was spilled, nothing came out, nothing came open, and nothing leaked. You know, you get my point. So that was really cool that they were kind of like all shrink wrapped together. I like that. Okay, so let's take a quick peek. We got corduroys. Love that color. Like a shimmery terracotta. Right on. Beautiful light blue. Brick house. Beautiful, kind of like a brick red. Starlight, this is one of their, it's like a white shimmer, but it also glows. And I did not know that until after this video, or I would have showed you guys. We have Far Out. I love this. This is like a royal blue with gorgeous little foil flakies in there. And then we have bell bottoms, kind of like a denim blue. Love that. Okay, so here they are all swatched. Gorgeous, gorgeous fall colors. But today we're going to work with Brick House and Starlight, which is the red and kind of the white shimmer. All right, so we're going to do some little dip powder press-ons. Y'all stick around. We're going to use our Azure Beauty Dip Liquids base and activator. And yeah, let's get into this thing. Okay, so we're finishing up. We did 2 layers of each color on every nail. These powders were awesome to work with. Everything laid really nicely, no lumpies or bumpies. And look at that cleanup. Just give those little Flexi Boats a little squish and dump your dip powders right back into their jars. And then later I will clean those up with a makeup brush. Easy peasy. All right, let's give everything a dust off and then we'll carry on. Okay, so we're going to use our Azure activator. Activate all the nails just like you would if they were on your hand. And then we are going to give them a little file and buff. So with dip powder press-ons, you just want to make sure that you're going around your edges, get everything all nice and cleaned up so it still fits your nail perfectly. And then just give the top a nice buff. If you have great powders, dip powders that you're working with, and your liquids were good, you should have minimal buffing and filing. Alright, now we're going to go in there with some easy peasy little stamping nail art. We have filed and buffed and activated our nails. They're all nice and smooth for our stamping, but we need something tacky for this to pick up our stamping polish. So I'm going in with a sticky air dry nail base. You can use things like if your dip company or your nail company supplies you with a sticky base, you can use that. You can use Orally or anything that you can find like on Amazon. You just need a sticky nail lacquer. So these will air dry and then we'll get to stamping. We're going to use our Maniology white and this little mushroom plate that I picked up, I believe from Temu. And I apologize for the lighting. I do not know what happened. Sometimes my camera just does what it wants to do. Okay, so I'm going to get some of these images stamped on these nails and then we'll be back for our next step. Next up, we're going in with our Madam Glam No Wipe Gel Top Coat, just to kind of seal everything in. Look at that color. This was such a nice little set. Really enjoyed these. Okay, so we're going to give everything a full cook on our nail lamp, and then we'll be back to talk about it. Okay, so what do we think? Such an easy nail set we did today, and the colors were awesome, stamping, and these nail stands I cannot get over. I will leave everything in the description box down below as far as links and products used. You can check out these nail stands and more at liquidlayers3d.com. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this, and a big thank you to Liquid Layers and Daisy Dips for sending over some extra goodies for us to check out. These won't be the last time you see these nail stands, and I'm excited. I hope you guys love this set today. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!